Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rhea. I'm in my closet. I just got back from a trip from the island this weekend, so I need to unpack. So we're gonna do that. I also came home to one of my succulents completely flopped over. I call him Sebastian 2.0. He has been with me since like 2021, okay? He started out, he maybe grew to this tall and then he died. And then my mom took him and we turned him into Sebastian 2.0. And then Sebastian 2.0, he's finally grown like this tall. And I killed him, I think. He needed a new home because he was outgrowing his, so then I repotted him and now he's just like even worse. So we're gonna tackle that after, but I need to unpack first. Done. I love coming home to packages. I ordered a red journal with a red pen because I am deep on manifesting TikTok. And apparently a red pen is supposed to help. I don't know, okay? But I'm doing it. I got these tiny little claw clips, a little yellow hat for Willow, a pink hat for Willow, a little bandana. Oh my god, my dog can hear me talking to myself and then she barks. Some necklaces for Willow, the yappy dog, a towel for Willow. Wow, this is a way bigger medium than the other medium. Bikini, another bikini, a hat, and I got 2 swim cover-ups. This one and this one. Okay, I just finished sanding a little bit of my library. It's only like 9:30 this morning. I was supposed to go to Pilates and I decided that I wanted to get stuff done instead. So I paid the $14 cancellation fee like an idiot, but I feel productive, so that's fine. I have to go to the grocery store in a bit, and I also have to, oh my god, where do I want to go? Canadian Tire. I want to buy a Swiffer for the floor. I'm also probably gonna pop into a couple stores because I have some gifts to buy for people, and that's that. Oh my god. Stop. It's so cute. Actually, I'll try this one first. See if I like it. Oh, it's a long one. Oh. Well. Okay, I made rice and turkey sausage bowls and then a giant corn pasta salad. Yummy. Well, I wish I filmed more for you guys of me cooking. I just have like the aftermath. It's so hot out today. I think it's 31 degrees and I'm just like baking. I have to make one more thing and I'm making chia pudding. I've never made it before, so we're gonna hope for the best. I have a screenshot from TikTok of the recipe. Okay, I just put in chia seeds, powdered peanut butter, cocoa powder, chocolate protein powder, milk, and a little bit of, oh my gosh, what is it? Maple syrup. It was not easy to get this pudding stuff into these jars, but they look delicious. I just canceled my 6:45 a.m. workout class and decided I'm staying home instead. Look at the state of my kitchen though. It's criminal. I canceled my class because I want to paint my office. and I want to make sure that I can finish it today. But then I just got out of bed and I read the back of the primer, and it says it has to sit for 24 hours before you can put the paint on. So I should probably listen to that, but I don't want to. I'm going to get Willow her breakfast, make myself a coffee while cleaning up a little bit of the kitchen right now because she's a mess. I also wonder like what the logistics are of that. Like, why does it actually say to wait 24 hours? Yet if you want to do a second coat of the primer, you only have to wait 3 to 4 hours. We add 2 little vitamins to Willow's food, and then she eats raw food, so technically you're not supposed to warm it up. Like, you aren't supposed to warm it up, but she is a picky little munchkin, and she sees that our food goes in the microwave, so she's like, why is mine not going in the microwave? So we literally put it in there for 10 seconds and then she eats it. As long as she like sees us and hears us putting it in, she's like, okay, I'll eat it. Did you come right back to bed after breakfast? She's like, Mom, why are you interrupting my peace? Why are you unmaking the bed when I'm in the bed? Oh, big stretch, big stretch, big stretch. This is the succulent that is on its last legs. I tried to stick him back in. Okay, I'm gonna try and put it in a smaller pot and see if I can revive him. Sorry, munchkin. Wait, I don't even know if it has any roots left. This is not looking too good. Well guys, I don't know if I can salvage this. Just gently scrape a bit of the bark off the stem with your nail near the base. I put him in the garbage. I cut this little guy off and I'm hoping he'll regrow, but my luck with these plants are not that good. Oh, R.I.P.